Y'all over here talking about they couldn't get me approved. They couldn't get me approved. That's because you went to buy a new Mercedes with the 500 credit score and 2,000 down. Promise I could get you in this Mirage though. So what we talk about?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we got a couple clips we're going to go through today. Right now, people are buying a lot of cars. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a couple deals. We have one guy who is actually about to purchase a Nissan, and this deal is crazy. I did watch a little bit of the video, but I did not watch the whole thing, so we're going to go through it together. I ain't going to do too much talking, guys. Let's get into it. Let's go.
It's already approved and done. You can take the vehicle home if you want it, okay? The only thing you do have to help me on a little bit is the payment. So with no money out of your pocket, putting $0 down, this is the payment you're looking at, okay? And then I am applying an additional, just so you can see, I was applying $3,000 on the other one. I'm applying an additional $4,000 rebate.
Okay.
Okay. So your selling price is here plus tax, title, license, and then obviously your negative equity as well, right? First payment won't be due until 45 days.
Okay.
You won't have a payment for your car and this car until 45 days. Okay. And then
so my car, that's it, right?
we're gonna pay it off for you and it's gonna be done. Yep.
Okay. So
Yes,
I don't
sir.
have to
You'll
worry
trade it
about
in.
it.
Nope.
Okay.
He said you won't have a payment for your car or this car. Okay.
We'll trade it in. We'll pay off that loan for you, and then the rate might be a little bit higher than what you're paying now. But of course, same thing. You can always go and refinance the car. It's not like you have to stick to the same loan for the entire loan.
And who's the finance company anyways?
Usually finance, they'll go over that with you. They'll show you the contract with everything.
So if I don't give no money down, that's what it is?
Yes,
right?
sir. Correct.
And I'm okay with that.
Okay. So like I said, if it's $0 down, you decide to go that route, your payment's $13.28 and it's already done and approved.
Got it.
Yeah,
It's done.
I'm okay with that.
Okay. And then just give me a signature there, and then I'll go ahead and get everything ready for you, okay?
That's
Man,
crazy. All right, guys, a couple things. First of all, like I said, I'm not judging the dealerships. They are there to make money and to sell you a vehicle. It's up to the consumer to know what he's doing, what he's signing up for, and does it make sense. First thing is he's paying $1,300. What was it, $1,360 or something like that for a Nissan? Now, as soon as you drive that thing off the lot, it's going to just tank in value. All cars depreciate, but we know Nissan for a fact, those cars ain't worth crap. I'm telling you from experience, those cars ain't worth a dime. But, sometimes you can get lucky and you can get a good one. If you take care of it, you're good to go. But as far as trading it in, you can forget that. You're going to have super negative equity. So he's rolling in negative equity. So if you try to get rid of it, it's going to be more negative equity. Now he's telling him he can refinance it. It's not going to happen. It's the loan to value thing. Unless he wait and put extra money on the loan and pay it down, pay over what his car note is, then maybe he can get the loan to value together. But if he just try to go leave there and go refinance, they're not going to do it because the car's not going to be worth what he owe on the car. The other thing is, I don't understand why they always want you to sign that paper. I never signed that paper, and the dealerships always give me a hard time about that. But I feel like, what difference is it going to make if I sign that paper or not? Because if I go in the back and I don't agree to the terms, that signature don't mean a damn thing. So why do I need to sign anything until I get in the back when I'm signing for gap insurance, all that kind of stuff? I actually go over the real numbers. Signing paperwork outside of the finance office means nothing. And they're going to try to press you out to do it. I understand they have their rules and things that they are used to doing or their procedures, but that's nonsense. And I don't understand why they're so pressed for people to do that. I think it's a psychological thing they try to play on the customer. But again, this guy seems to be super excited about the vehicle he's getting. I believe it's a Nissan Frontier, brand new one. So he's willing to pay anything for it. You know what I'm saying? Or he's just in a situation where he has to buy another car and he got a road negative equity and they're saying his credit is not that great. So he's just in a messed up situation. So my suggestion to him would be to just keep the current vehicle that he had. If I was his buddy and he asked me my advice, I would tell him to keep the vehicle he has, because paying $1,300 for a Nissan is ridiculous. So leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think.
She's on the 17 Rogue.
Okay.
424 credit. She's got 15 down plus her trade. What can we do?
So the car is 12.9, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you send the steps over?
Yeah.
They're pre-approved. Everything's ready.
Yeah, got 'em.
Residence, income.
They're all loaded in the system.
Okay. Well, she's a 424. That she will need 15% down.
Okay.
Which has 1950.
1950.
Mm-hmm. How's the trade?
Well, it's missing a few parts.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's missing a few parts?
Well, we might need to get towed back here up to service, but good news, we can save on labor because the motor's missing.
What?
So our tech won't need as much
It's
labor.
got no motor.
Well, no, not yet.
Okay.
What?
Well, let's just 15 plus trade. Let's do it.
What? How you gonna trade a car with no motor? But then again, these people they'll do anything. All they're gonna do is charge her for it, flip it into the new loan. That's all they're gonna do. That's crazy.
Someone is trying to sell. Hello. What's your name?
I don't want to say.
So you owe money on it?
23.
23. Bunch of scratches, but it's a beautiful car. Lower bumper right there. Oh, clean. Smells like cherries. What are you trying to get for it?
Like 25.
25. Why are you selling it?
I just want a better car.
Trying to trade it in, or you just want to sell it first?
I just want to sell it first.
You trade it in, you get a tax incentive, so you might want to consider that. We have 7 locations. Wow, and it comes with a full tank of gas.
This guy.
The hood doesn't open. Okay, it opens. It works. Nice. All right. I don't know anything about cars. Toyota Prius, baby! Heard people love these cars. 47.4. That's what we got for mileage. Miss No Name, Miss Unknown is looking for $25,000. 2 hubcaps that need to be replaced, and then you got some scratches and dents across the car. There's a little dent right here. You can't really see it. I'm at like 20.
No, I want to do 25.
There's no coming down at all.
I don't.
25 is a stretch. I can't even sell the car for 25. Just gonna come over here real quick. Dude, how is she getting $25,000? Oh, what is that? Did you see her bumper is cracked like that? This piece alone is probably gonna cost $1,500. And this is like...
I always say people go in to trade their cars in with unrealistic expectations for what the car's worth. And a lot of times, people just throw numbers out there just to see what the dealer gonna say. I don't blame them. I probably do the same thing.
popping out. So if the clips are broken, that's also gonna be like $1,000. The bumper's scratched. Oh my gosh, I freaking missed it.
Everything.
25 is not gonna happen, but I'm still gonna give you a competitive number. This condition, you're looking at around 22.
Can we do 23?
The car's retailing 23 grand. Can we do 22?
23.
23, you said?
Yeah.
Standing on business.
I mean, I gotta spend money on the bumper, and even this, like, the more I look at this car, the more problems I see with it. I'll do 22.3. You'll do it? You'll do 22.3? All right, so that means you would write me a check for $700. Yeah? Deal? All right.
12 seconds
I already
later.
know.
I don't want to write a check.
You don't want to write a check?
Yeah.
But you have a payoff for $23,000.
Let's do 23 then. I'm serious.
Can we do 22.5?
No. 23.
She trying to get that job paid off.
22.7.
23. 23.
All right, 23.
Yeah.
See, she got some things working for her that's working in her favor, and we all know what that's about. You know what I'm saying? But she did the right thing. You gotta stand on business. If you want what you want what you want for the car. It's up to the dealership to agree to it. And obviously she used that female thing on him, and he went on and changed the price. But like I said, guys, right now a lot of people are in the market to buy a car. I feel like these clips were necessary, and I'm working on some more stuff, guys, to try to make the videos a little longer. And so leave your comments, guys. What do y'all think? Do you think that guy should have agreed to that deal for $1,300 a month for that Nissan? I honestly think that was a bad move. And another thing, when it comes, and this clip right here shows you that if you stand on business as far as being firm about what you want for your vehicle, 9 times out of 10 you might can get it. You just got to be realistic. Don't go in there talking about you want $40,000 for a car only worth about $25,000. Like, they're not going to agree to no nonsense like that. But you can go online, you can go to CarMax, you can go to Carvana and get an estimate on what your car's worth from the house. You ain't even got to go there. You can do it online. They give you an estimate online. at least give you an idea of what your car may be worth. And I'm not saying stuff that most of y'all don't already know, but there's a lot of people that follow me that don't know about this stuff. A lot of stuff you can do from home before you even go to the dealership, and getting and figuring out what your car is worth is something you definitely can do from home. You can go to KBB, you can go to CarMax, or you can go to Carvana, and they'll give you, an estimate of what your car is worth. So if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
Guys, listen, scrolling and I see a video of people like talking about car payments and how ridiculous they are. I literally laugh, not at them, but at me, because my car payment, they're saying like $600, $800 is so bad, and my car payment is more than my mortgage. I literally don't know what I was thinking. I like blacked out at the dealership thinking I was like Kim K or something, but my car payment is astronomical. These people would stroke out if they knew what my car payment was. Just know that I pay half of my car payment every 2 weeks to keep myself from crashing out, because if I saw my car payment withdraw from my bank account all at once, I would crash out. And I don't know, I like thought I was Kim K, but my bank account don't.